Elecrow is a company that specializes in the design, research and development, and manufacturing of electronics. Founded in 2014, the company has grown to become a leading supplier of open-source hardware and electronic components, offering a wide range of products and services to customers around the world. Electrow's focus on innovation, quality, and affordability has earned them a reputation as a trusted and reliable partner for makers, hobbyists, and professionals alike. With a commitment to customer satisfaction and a passion for technology, Elecrow continues to push the boundaries of what's possible in the world of electronics. What is Elecrow Partner Seller? It is a program enabling you to manufacture and sell your products at Elecrow. Electronic enthusiasts need a platform where they can sell their creative achievements, and we were born due to market demand. Makers, or some small companies who have made your own electronics projects, want to use this as a source of income. Electro offers online sales and provides online traffic and customers. In this way, you can earn money off monetized projects. Why choose to be an Electro Partner Seller? First, production and technical support. Electro provides PCB manufacturing, assembly, and other production services for you. As a partner seller, you can enjoy special discounts on Electro manufacturing orders. Second, warehousing services. Electro provides warehousing services to save money and time for partner sellers. Third, global logistics. Electro provides international logistics services for partner sellers' orders, allowing you to expand your business to every corner of the world. Fourth, easy to use. Electro provides sellers with an easy-to-use system that helps sellers process orders, view inventory, and make payments. Fifth, lower cost of sales. Electro does not charge platform fees, nor monthly fees and listing fees. Sellers only need to pay 5% of the payment processing fees. Sixth, service support. Electro provides one-on-one VIP service for each partner seller. Last but not the least, marketing and promotion support. Electro Official will help sellers to promote their products in social media, forums, and other official platforms. Who can join? Electro has never set a limit on who is qualified to be a seller partner. Anyone who can make DIY electronics and great maker programs, whether college students, individual electronics makers, DIY electronics hobbyists, hackers, tech geeks, business groups, startups, or even tech novices. As long as you have the enthusiasm to create creative tech projects, you can join Electro as a partner seller. How to join? First, make sure you have created an account on Electro site. On the homepage of www.electro.com, click Create an account in the top right corner. Once you have registered, click Sign in to log in. Next, click on My Account to Electro Partner Seller to fill in your brand information and submit. You can click on the Electro Partner Seller icon on the Account Dashboard page to enter the page, or click Electro Partner Seller in the Partner section of the left menu bar to enter the page. Upload avatar, which is your brand logo or a picture that can represent you. Fill in country, brand name, brand description, tech support email, apply reason, etc., and then submit. It's really quite simple. Send your project to Electro for quotation. Accept the quotation and place your order here. Electro produces and warehouses your products. Create an Electro account and apply for partnership. Upload your products and sell your products on Electro. Electro handles orders and logistics, receive payments from buyers, and pay out to partner seller. Click the link in the description or click the partner seller link on Electro site to join us. If you have any questions, please send email to service@elecrow.com. Thank you for watching. The Electro Partner Seller is looking forward to your participation.